hello. We have a feature I'm very, very excited about because historically, I think anyone who's used forms in high level knows just how much of a pain in the butt it can be to actually have to come into forms, submissions, and filter through all of your options to be able to find the answers for somebody who submitted a form. It's a little bit crazy. So, now we have some brand new features, which is actually going to allow us to see the form submission directly in our conversations area with the customer. So, step one, it's currently in lab, so you do have to go ahead and go into your agency side, settings, sub account, or settings, labs, sub account, turn it on, and then inside your account, you will have to enable that from labs as well. If you don't have access to it yet and you don't own your agency, you can ask your agency admin kindly to enable that for you if you want to check it out. So I'm going to look at just this random, oh, that's a page. I need a form. Goodness gracious. My bad. Okay, so let's just look at a very quick opt-in because that's going to be something that's super easy. From what I understand, here, yep, okay. So when we're in our form, we do have to come in specifically inside your forms, go to settings, and then down here in your form settings, second option is going to be create conversation on submission. This is just going to ensure that if there isn't already an existing conversation, we're creating one so that we can get this form submission from our conversation area. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out with hopefully, what in the world? That's awful. Okay, I don't even know if this is actually, yeah, okay. I'll have to fix that. Okay, thanks for taking the time to complete this form. Perfect. Getting the whole point. Let me know. So then we can come into contacts. I can go ahead and search KY SHEBARD right here. And bing, bang, boom. You can see form submitted, conversion cookbook opt-in. I can go ahead. Nope, that's going to take me to the form. That's going to take me to all form submissions, which, I mean, yeah, that's nice too. And then we can also just view my specific submission. It's going to have all of the form information up first. Then you'll have page details as well as event data. So fun little feature there. You can also come into conversations and then if you filter, shoot. Please don't look at that. Clear. Cancel. I'm just going to have to cut this part. Okay, you can also come into conversations as well. And what in the world? Clear. Apply. Okay. So you can actually also come into conversations, and the nice part is that you can filter by last message channel is and form submissions. So you can literally come in and only look at your conversations. Whoops, that's team inbox. Let's look at all. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Last message channel is form submissions. Okay, apply. And that's not bringing it up.